Alright, good day everyone. We have here an oil filter. We're just gonna cut it to half right here in the center. And let's see what's the inside of it.
Đây là gì? Sầm sầm.
Right, so we have here an oil filter cutter. So that's how you do it. So in order to cut the oil filter, we have to, you know, just like that until it breaks. Well, the oil filter cutter have some blades, which is, if you're familiar with a can opener, it's just like that. And just like that, the oil filter is break. Right, so it is the inside of the oil filter. First, you're gonna see the oil filter element. Well, it's the main part of the oil filter that filters the oil. And in the inside, you're gonna see it is called the relief valve. Well, genuine parts oil filter is usually equipped with relief valves for just in case the oil filter element is clogged, so the oil is gonna be bypass the oil filter element. So it is the
Constructed with spring
yeah.
and
If you can see closely, it is it has spring on it, and if you're gonna press it, just like that. So if the oil filter is clogged, the pressure will gonna push this spring, and the oil will pass through here.